I've come to the end of my rope.
Peter Hatzipetros has been a cab driver for 30 years, and he says the curfew could ruin him.
How do you stay alive if your customers, if you go from taking one customer every 2 to 3 hours to now taking one customer every 4, every 5?
Still, with rampant spread of the virus and hospitals bursting, the Quebec government says it had no choice but to impose the tough 4-week lockdown, including an overnight curfew.
Starting next Saturday, there'll be a curfew from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. during 4 weeks.
The premier wants the streets to be virtually empty at night, with fines up to $6,000 for those who don't comply. The only exceptions, traveling for work or for medical or humanitarian reasons.
We need to reduce the contagion right now, and I'm counting on you all.
The last time Quebec enforced a general curfew was during the Spanish flu pandemic. A century later, déjà vu. Experts say curfews do help.
In the very first wave, curfews were very effective in Italy and France.
He says the rules must be clear to prevent confusion over what is and what is not allowed, especially with so many Quebecers tempted to sneak in short visits with family.
We met them for a little 15 minutes of surprise because they really needed to see the grandkids. Bad idea. Got COVID from the grandkids.
He says they haven't even started to see cases from New Year's parties and holiday travel.
If at one point there's not enough beds, well, we'll need to choose who's going to get the bed. And that's going to be a serious issue.
Ontario is closely watching the rollout of the new rules here in Quebec. The two premiers are speaking tonight as Doug Ford contemplates the possibility of a curfew in his province. Jayla Bernstein, CBC News, Montreal.